Oh, hi, I'm cooking today. Today we're really actually cooking. I'm not like driving around eating fast food or like driving around and drinking milkshakes or ordering food and eating it. Today we're actually gonna cook something. And this is thanks to Dean Richards on the WGN Morning News. He made this morning. I was like, that looks awesome. And I had no idea what I was gonna make today. So I was like, I'm gonna make that too. So here we have. This is like pastry puffer bread stuff. It's like a crescent roll. Like a giant Pillsbury crescent roll. And first we're gonna add to it some crumbly feta cheese. Put a good amount on it because feta cheese is awesome sauce. Brush some on there. Oh yeah, looking good. And then we're gonna take some fresh from the Jules tomatoes. I would say fresh from my garden, but they're not fresh from my garden. I bought them at the store today. What are you gonna do? Now I have some fresh from the garden oregano I'm putting on here. Now I'm gonna add some minced garlic. Garlicky. I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning salt. Because it's better than regular salt, you know? Makes regular salt seem like, whoa! I'm gonna add some Trader Joe's Everyday Seasoning, which is kind of like an everything bagel kind of seasoning. So it's got all kinds of super amazing flavor sauces in it. That looks pretty good. Now, we're gonna take it and we're gonna fold it up. You fold and divot and fold and divot. That holds it together. You gotta divot it. Divot, divot. Divot, divot. Divot, divot. Divoty, divot, divot. Now what I'm gonna do something Dean Richards didn't do. This is my favorite, like extra special cheese for breakfast a lot of times. It's queso cochicha something sauce. I don't know. It's some kind of Mexican parmesan they call it. I'm gonna put that right on top here. Whoa, that's gonna be good. Now I'm gonna brush on some egg stuff that I made earlier. It's like egg and I forget what you base. I don't know. What do you call this stuff? It's egg and water and make it spreading on for stuff. I don't know what it's called. But it's good. It's good for you too because eggs are full of protein and yummy goodness stuff. But this is going to make it all extra glistery, super fine, special sauce looking when it comes out of the oven sauce. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Now, I'm going to take this beautiful thing and I can stick it in the oven at 400 degrees for like 12 minutes. Whoosh! And just like that, it's ready to go. Look at this. So golden brown, a lot of little bumbly dumblies on the top from the cheeses and stuff. Let's cut out a piece. See what this masterpiece is like. I don't know how you cut it. It's like a log form. Should I cut it in strips? Should I cut it at an angle? Should I cut it in strips? I'm gonna cut it in strips. I'm gonna take one right over here. Oh, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Look at that. Look at that beautifulness in there. Melty cheeses and tomatoes, flavorings, all that kind of good stuff. Let's take a big bite of this and see how wonderful it is. I'm very excited. Wow. That was so easy to make. And it's one of those things where when you eat it, you're like, I can't believe I made something that tastes so good as this. So thank you, Dean Richards and the team at WGN Morning News for the idea today. See you next week.